Day 41 of turning from 0 to 1 million followers. They say it's wrong to post the ugly stuff in your life. Like, yeah, my Instagram got hacked. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. So mali pala. Kasi daw humihingi lang ako ng simpatsya, papansin, attracting negative vibes, whatever. Digital age na tayo. Everything is fair game. Ugly, funny, cringe, even AI stuff na hindi naman totoo. Go. Bahala ka kung gusto mong i-share sa madlang people. I even posted quick tip number 1. Don't flex everything in life. Pero depende pa rin sa'yo kung paano mo dadalhin. Kasi may mga magko-comment talaga. Especially if you're famous like me. Wow, way too many comments. I can't even reply to all. So what did I do? Pinagde-delete ko kaya you won't see any comments na kasi na-delete ko na. Char! So ayan, screw it. Let's restart. Ako nga pala si Monthsday. Dating homeless pero syempre nagpursige. So ngayon, homeless pa rin. Pero, Christmas na. Kailangan natin ng yellow basket. Pinipinturahan ko na ito. Sana marami tayong makuhang gifts para makapamigay sa madlang bata. Found a basket, hindi na mukhang yellow. Kaya gagawin natin yellow. So this is for you. Keep showing up. Kahit anong mangyari sa buhay mo. You might get hit a few times. Fuck it. Keep fighting. Tap yung mga hacker kayo.